Hello guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's topic, we're gonna be discussing how you can do CPA marketing. I'll just, be frank with you guys. I have never done this type of video, so I'm not sure how these are going to perform. But if you guys love these type of videos, I will be definitely dropping more of these. So in today's tutorial, we're gonna be talking, like I said, about CPA marketing. We're gonna be explaining how you can choose a CPA network and choosing a campaign and promoting that campaign using push notification. So if you are interested in that, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely. Also, if there's anything you want to ask me about this particular video, drop it in the comments down below, or if there's any question that you have from previous video, also you can comment down below or reach out to me on my social medias. Without further ado, let's just start with this video. So for the CPA network that we're going to be using, it's called Golden Goose GG Agency. You can type that in and just look this CPA network. It's just one of the best beginner friendly CPA networks that you can work for. Like I said, if you are trying to start with CPA marketing in general. So what we need to do is just very simple. Go to Golden Goose main page and create your account. Once you do that, we're just gonna move to the next step. Once you create your account with Golden Goose, this will be your dashboard. You will have your metrics right here, the clicks, the traffic that you are sending, and the CR and the conversions down here as well. All of that, that stats that you need to know when you are running a campaign. But before we just talk about these type of metrics, there is something I should tell you. You have your manager up top right here, and you can chat with your manager. You can ask him about different offers that are converting well on this particular network, and he will surely guide you to the best ones that you can run your campaigns for. All right, so if you need to chat with him, just go up top or email him or do whatever. You have multiple options to contact your manager, and definitely do that. All right, so that's just something that I needed to actually tell you guys. Once you do that, just click the menu and just head to the offer wall. That way we can browse all the offers that are there in this CPA network. So there is a lot of categories that we can choose from. We have featured, we have best rating, we have the highest payout rate, and we have the newest first. But personally, what I would like to do is just go to the best rating. This is basically the best rated CPA offers that are having some some buzz out there. There are other affiliates that are having some conversions with these type of offers. Once you do that, you have multiple offers like you see, and on this menu, on the right menu, we have multiple filters. You can filter by the country, you can filter about the using the cellular carrier of certain region. We have the category, the conversion flow, the traffic, etc. But for this video, we're going to be filtering using the ads network that we will be using to send traffic to Golden Goose, which is Push House. We're going to be talking about Push House in a second. So let's just go back to Golden Goose, and in the traffic source, just type in push and look for Push House, guys. There we go, push that house. And as you can see, Golden Goose will filter all the best offers that works with Push House. And yeah, what you need to do also is just pay attention to the offers. There's something here called the flow. Either you choose a pin submit type of flow or choose one click flow. Those are the best ones for conversion, right? Because if there's more than two flow conversions, there are two pages, most likely the user will just click off the offer and will not finish the offer. So either you choose pin submit or one click offer. So for example, let's just choose this. It is a sweepstakes offer for an iPhone 15, I suppose. So let's just click on view details, and this is the offer that we are going to be promoting. As you can see, the target country is Mexico, and we have the carriers right here, and we have the category, and we have the conversion flow, which is pin submit, like I said before. So what we need to do next is just go to this network, as network. It's called Push That House. Create your account and top up your accounts as well. The minimum top up is $50, so it's just actually cheap. You can try out this network if you have some luck, or if you have a winning campaign, you can scale your campaign afterwards, right? And what you need to do is just very simple. Just head back to the offer that we just selected and just click on get links. All right. And scroll all the way down to traffic sources and then just type in again push house. Okay. Once you do that, you will have this type of link, which is called postback. Highlight this link and copy this link and head back to push house, then head all the way down to tracking and copy your link right here, the one that you copied from Golden Goose, and just change the CID equals P2 with click ID with parentheses click ID, excuse me. Let me just copy this again and change this parameter or like macros right here and click trace. That way what we just did, we just made these two network communicating with each other. So if you have a conversion on like a Golden Goose, it will just reflect back on your push house. Okay, so what we need to do next is just very simple. Let's just create our campaign, and there is like a tool that I will just show you to create the most successful campaigns when it comes to push notifications. So go to create campaign, of course, after you top up your balance on push the house. Let's just name it, for example, Mexican test push 1, for example. And as for the traffic, we're going to be sending only mainstream traffic, not adult traffic. And for the category of our offer, it is actually sweepstakes. And for the ad format, it will be push notification. And let's just disable in page and on click. Okay, you can experience with these two if you want to have different variants of your ad campaign, but I would recommend starting off with just like regular push. Then you can try in page and on click. As for the target page, just go back to our Golden Goose account, and there you go, we have the promo URL with the macros installed for us, the macros that we need to actually use so we can track our conversions, clicks, and all that good stuff. So take that URL and just paste it in here, and if you did everything correctly, these two macros should be highlighted, site and camp, and you can also add the click ID. Heading down to the traffic, just disable pattern traffic and just leave push house traffic alone. That's the premium traffic that you can get from this ad network. Also, the traffic activity, leave all of these highlighted or checked. And for the country, obviously the offer, it's for Mexico, so it is for Mexican people only. So go back to push house and select or type in Mexico. Okay, we have Mexico right here. Let's just delete the US. For the CPC, make sure to set it to the recommended bid amount, right? So you can get the most traffic. You can actually lower the bid or increase the bid, but for me, I would just recommend leaving it as is. For the group, you just leave it as is. Audience, also we don't have like much yet. We don't have like info on our target audience. For the device, leave it at mobile. Definitely keep it on mobile because we have a mobile offer too. So yeah, that checks right here. Leave it in mobile. Then for the OS, just select Android and iOS too. And for the browser language, it should be Spanish, right? So let's just head back to our offer and just see the details of our offer. Yes, the landing language is actually Spanish, so we're gonna select Spanish. The browser language is Spanish. For the connection type, I suppose it's just like the same type of connection. It is 3G Wi-Fi, so no desktop, of course, so it is mobile traffic, but we had 3G and Wi-Fi. So let's just head back and yeah, we have 3G and Wi-Fi, so let's just leave it as is, all just like that. And for the campaign, let's just start with $10 for this one campaign, see if it works. If it works, then we can scale our campaign up, right? That's pretty much it for these settings. Okay, now we get down to the creatives and advertisement, creative section. We have the title, description, we have the icons that we need to put in order to actually get our users to click on our ad. What I like to do when creating push notification ads is just use this ad spy tool. It's called spy.house. And what you need to do is just go to the keyword section here and type in, for example, we have an iPhone offer, right? So click iPhone right here and click search. Let's Buy House do all of the work. It will just display all of the successful campaigns that are running the same type of offer. For example, in our case, it's an iPhone sweepstakes type offer. And what I need to do also, go to the left menu and select the country that you are targeting, which is Mexico in our case. Highlight Mexico just like that, and just look for a campaign that is successful. And what you need to do is just pay attention to this little eye icon. This is how many views this ad actually got. And most likely when there is like a high number of views, it means the ad is actually successful. So let's just look for one. For example, this one has like 159, 160 views. Are like multiple ones. Like this one has like 600. There's like one with 2000. It's just up to you to actually select which creative that you want. Like I said, you need to actually experience in order to actually get the most out of your campaign. So for this tutorial, just stick with this one. Just click on the offer and just download the icon and the image just like that. And you will just download the icon and the image for this ad. And for the title, just copy the title just like this, head back to Push the House, paste it in the title section, then go back to the text or the description also and copy it too, head back to the description just like that. Okay, let's just delete that. As for the icon, click upload and upload the image that you just downloaded, which is this for our icon, the message type of icon, just like that, and click crop and do the same for the image as well, just like that, and drag a bit and crop it as well. Once that is done, I suppose everything is just correctly set up right now. And yeah, what you need to do is just scroll all the way down, check this option which says stop after moderation, so the campaign will just not run right away, and click start campaign, and that way you have created your first push campaign on Push House. All you need to do is just go back to your Golden Goose account and go to statistics, right, and just monitor the clicks, the traffic that you're getting, the CTR, all of that, and just optimize your campaign. Run the campaign for at least, I don't know, like 3 days. Give the campaign at least a budget of $20. See if the campaign if the campaign profitable or not. If it's not like profitable, maybe just start tweaking the creatives, the titles, etc. Those stuff. Because truthfully, there is no way that you can tell that this offer will work. You need to actually try it for yourself. If it don't work, then move on to something else. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Like I said, this was just a brief explanation of how you can get started with CPA marketing using push notification networks, and it is just simple as that. Truthfully, but it needs more trials and tribulation. I should say you need to actually experience that for yourself in order to get better at this type of marketing. But yeah, all the links that we used will be in the description down below. Also, if there's like anything you want me to address, comment that down below. I will definitely check it out. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one.